how a YouTube moves. Pizza. Pizza the quick. What's up, guys? Welcome back to welcome back to another video, I guess. It is Sunday. I thought I'd do just a little bit of a Sunday in my life. I have been away from YouTube for a while, so I'm just trying to get back into the practice of, you know, making videos, documenting my life, etc, etc. So yeah, as you would have seen, I went out for breakfast with my sister, and then I went shopping for a book. I did stop by a friend. She got a new car. I wanted to see it, but it hadn't been delivered yet, so we didn't get to see it. But now I do just want to make a sit down video with a quick update on what's happening on the channel. So I'm all set up to shoot. I'll show you guys just now. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make a video. So I hope you guys enjoy this slow but productive Sunday in my life. It's so good to be back and making content again. Yeah, I just wanted to say, you know, that you've been off YouTube for a long time where you don't even know where your equipment is. I've literally lost my mic. I can't find it, so I hope that the built-in mic in my camera is sufficient and that you guys can hear me properly in this vlog and in the video that I'm about to record. So bad. Okay, you guys, I'm done recording. That was cool. Like, I thought that I wouldn't be able to like speak and stuff in front of the camera anymore, but I guess it's like riding a bike. I'm laughing because I'm like, what if the footage actually sucks? And I look at it, I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, that was just a quick channel updates that I recorded that I'll be putting on my channel as a trailer. And I just will talk about like what I'm working on, what's going to be happening with the channel, etc, etc. So look out for that. I don't know if the vlog will come first or if that will come first. The vlog might come first. I'm gonna try edit the vlog and post it like tomorrow or tonight. We'll see. So yeah, since that is done, I think I will leave it at that and edit, start editing that video that I'll put out in the week, and then this vlog as well. I did want to go to yoga. It's at 4. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. A little bit. I had like quite a hectic weight training session as well, so I don't know if I just need to rest or do like an active rest day through yoga. I don't know. Also, while I'm here, let me show you, we went to exclusive books and I got this book. I got this book called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, I think is how you say it. Yeah, so my good friend lives there. oh sorry, my good friend Lihle, she has a business called Decorum Events, and she puts together the most beautiful events and parties and things. She's so talented. Like, I'm not even just saying this because she's my friend. Like, I've not seen many other event planners who can pull off what she can. And so we're chatting the other day, and she was saying like she read this book and it just like has helped her manifest like so much work and business and just, I guess, like prosperity. And she was like, must read. So, you know, I want to manifest prosperity and stuff too. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go get it. So I'm so excited to start reading it. Okay, that's all for now.
Well, only because I found them myself.
I let you in here, didn't I?
So I was actually feeling quite tired, so I just decided to spend the afternoon relaxing. I had some leftover breakfast from our time at Woolworths, so I climbed into bed. I had that as a late lunch while I watched some Manifest, I think it was. Yeah, spent a few hours or an hour or two in bed, and then I went out to do some grocery shopping, and then came back and pretty much just carried on chilling. So that's it pretty much for my Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this. It's really good to be back on YouTube.